The cheapest RTX 40 series gaming laptop is here. Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. A lot of people have been eagerly waiting for affordable RTX 40 series gaming laptops. I've been getting so many comments saying, Vimal, why don't show us 4070, 4080 laptops? Show us something affordable. When are these 4050 gaming laptops coming to India? Well, you people came to the right video at the right time. Finally, RTX 4050 gaming laptops have been launched in India, and today we have something special from Asus. This is their brand new TUF Gaming F15 2023 model, and this is one of the very first RTX 4050 gaming laptops in India. I am super excited because this laptop model packs crazy specs and features, guys. It has Intel's 13th gen i7 CPU paired with RTX 4050 GPU, and also has plenty of other interesting features as well. So this is what we'll be checking out right now in this video. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So our 2023 model TUF Gaming F15 came in this sort of box packaging. Very neat packaging. You just have the Asus TUF Gaming logo on the front. And talking about the model, this is actually available in a couple of variants, guys. You get i7 edition, i9 edition is there, 4050, 4060 edition is available. Today we have the most affordable variant which features Intel's 13th gen i7 paired with RTX 4050. Here are the specs and the model number. We'll be checking out today's FX507VU. This one features 15.6 inch 1080p display with 144 Hz refresh rate. As I've told you, Intel's 13th gen i7 is on board with RTX 4050, 16 gigs of RAM is there, DDR4, and lastly 512GB of PCI Gen 4 SSD. So these were the main specs and highlight, and without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. It's available in two different color variants. Today we have the Mecha Grey edition, and as soon as you open it, we've got a sticker pack over here. Look at this. You can personalize and customize your laptop using these stickers. Pretty nice. And at the top, this is what we've been waiting for, guys, our brand new TUF Gaming F15 2023 model. We'll just come back to this in a moment. In the package, you also get some paperwork. Make sure to read that. A 240 watt slim power adapter is also there that supports fast charging, and a mains cord for the power adapter. That's it. These are all the stuff. So that was our quick unboxing, and now let me give you a closer look at this laptop and talk about the design and build quality part. Now, initial impressions, TUF Gaming F15 looks quite beautiful. It has a nice stealth grey sort of finish, and at the beginning I've told you, right, it's available in two different colors. We have the Mecha Grey edition, and both these color variants have a bit of slightly different design on the top lid. So look at this Mecha Grey edition over here. On the top lid, you're getting a 3D embossed TUF logo. This is not there on the other variant, guys. That has completely different design. And if you talk about the overall look and feel, very premium look and feel for this price point. And good thing is top lid doesn't attract fingerprints also that easily, so that's one plus point. Now talking about the build quality, entire body is made of hard shell plastic only, guys, polycarbonate material, including the top lid, and the laptop definitely weighs a bit heavy. It's around 2.2 kgs. So that's it. Now what I'll do is I'll give you a closer look at the connectivity ports and show you what's available on all the sides. Starting off from the left side, you're having an exhaust vent over here. DC in port is there, full-sized Ethernet LAN port is available, HDMI port is also there, two Type-C ports are available. Both of them are USB 3 Type-C ports, but one of them supports Thunderbolt 4.0 and is also DP 1.4 compatible. Followed by that, you have a USB 3.2 Type A port available. A 3.5mm audio jack is also there, and that is pretty much it over here. There is nothing on the front side, and going to the other side, here you have one more USB 3.2 Type A port available, followed by one more exhaust vent, and lastly a Kensington lock. And here's how the back profile of the laptop looks like. You're getting two more exhaust vents, so totally 4 exhaust vents with 5 heat pipes for cooling on this laptop. And here's how the bottom profile of the laptop looks like, guys. As I've told you, entire plastic body, and you have a couple of cutouts over here for air circulation and vents, rubber footpad on all the corners, and some details about the laptop. Coming to the speakers, the laptop has stereo speakers on the bottom left and right corners, and it even supports Dolby Atmos also. And I haven't told you about the upgradability part, right? Both the RAM and storage are upgradable over here, and it's available in two different variants. You get DDR4 edition and DDR5 edition. We have the most affordable TUF F15 variant, which comes with DDR4 RAM. You're getting 8x2 16GB DDR4 RAM clocked at 3200 MHz, which is also expandable up to 32GB. Coming to the storage, we are only having around 512GB of PCI Gen 4 SSD. That is also expandable up to 2TB. So that's it, our complete overview on the exteriors. Now let me just quickly open up the laptop and show you how the interiors of this model look like. So as soon as you open it, the first thing you'll notice over here is this all new X mark status indicators. It even has a cool animation when you power it on. Just look at this. That looks pretty neat, right? Anyways, talking about the display, as usual, you're getting a 15.6 inches 1080p 144Hz IPS level display that even supports G-Sync and has 100% sRGB color gamut support. Look at the bezels as well. It has a three-sided narrow bezel design, but the bottom bezel definitely looks a bit thicker with the Asus logo at the center. So that's it about the upper half section, and coming down to the lower half section, here you go. This is how it looks like. What I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the keyboard and touchpad and then talk about that. So TUF Gaming F15 features a full-size desktop inspired chiclet RGB backlit keyboard, and keyboard quality is very good over here. I've been using it since the last couple of days, right? Quality of the keys is nice. Key caps are also good. Key travel is also around like 1.7 mm, so felt quite comfortable during my usage in the last couple of days. And yes, RGB lighting on it is also like fully customizable using Asus Aura Sync software. And not to miss out those beautiful transparent WASD keys on the keyboard. Coming down, here's how the touchpad looks like. You're getting like a super large touchpad over here that accurately takes my inputs and gestures and didn't face any sorts of dead zones anywhere. And the integrated button quality were also nice. Alright, keeping all of these aside, now let's talk about main aspects of this product, starting off with the display. So this laptop is available in like two display variants. You get like a 1080p edition and a Quad HD variant is also available. But today in the house, as I've told you, we have a budget-friendly, affordable edition laptop. So this one definitely packs like a 1080p display. It comes with a 15.6-inch 1080p 144Hz IPS level display and even supports like G-Sync as well, guys. And let me tell you, I've been using this laptop for the last couple of days, right? Display quality is like very satisfactory for this price point. First of all, talking about the detail, there's good amount of detail. Now come on, it's a 1080p display at 15.6 inches. Everything looks crisp and clear no matter what sort of content you're watching. Either it be like play games or even watch like movies, web series on Netflix, you'll be like pretty happy and satisfied. If you talk about the colors were also pretty nice. It has like 100% sRGB color gamut support and was producing like rich and beautiful looking colors. I've watched like a couple of YouTube videos in like 4K HDR and was like blown away by the display quality for this price point, guys. And good thing is, since it has like 100% sRGB color gamut support, you can even use it for like productivity and creative sort of applications as well, like color grading, Photoshop. Easily this laptop will get you those sort of works done. If you ask about the brightness of the panel was like mediocre, just like most of the other laptops. It had a max panel brightness of around say 250 to 300 nits and was like okay I would say. Viewing angles were great, IPS levels, obviously it has like wide viewing angles, and the overall contrast levels, black levels, everything were like pretty much satisfactory for this price point, guys. Now, not to miss out those gaming features also, it features like an insanely high 144Hz refresh rate along with G-Sync support, and adaptive sync is also available. We'll definitely come there and talk about all of those features during the gaming performance part. And wait a second, how did you miss out the audio quality part? It has like stereo speaker setup powered by Dolby Atmos, and let me be honest, I am usually not that satisfied with laptop speakers, but that was not the case over here. Speaker setup on this laptop was actually impressive. It was producing like great clarity sound with minimum distortion. There was good amount of detail and decent bass was also coming out of this thing. Asus has definitely improved the speaker setup on the 2023 model. I know a lot of people have been waiting for this part. How's the overall performance of this 4050 gaming laptop? People have been like very curious about this, so let me get to that. First of all, let me tell you about the specs. Our TUF Gaming F15 2023 model is powered by Intel's 13th gen i7 13700H, which is like a 14 core 20 thread monster CPU with a max turbo clock of up to 5 GHz. Now pair that with Nvidia's RTX 4050, which comes with like 6 gigs of GDDR6 memory, that too with a TGP of around like 140 watt, 115 actually, plus 25 watt dynamic boost. And not to miss out, you're getting like 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM paired with PCI Gen 4 SSD. There is nothing less you can expect over here, guys. Excellent performance you can expect. You can use this laptop for most of your creative sort of applications, either it be like Premiere Pro, video editing, even 4K video editing, Photoshop. Throw any sort of load now, it'll like easily handle these sort of tasks, not an issue at all. And coming to the gaming performance, to show you that, we'll be playing a couple of AAA title games at different graphic settings, starting off with Spider-Man Miles Morales. Now 40 4050 is an entry-level 40 series GPU and is mainly targeted for 1080p level gaming. It has 6 gigs of GDDR6 memory with a TGP of around 140 watts, and right now we are benchmarking this game in the turbo profile, and the GPU mode was set to ultimate via Nvidia's advanced Optimus feature. In this first test, the game is running at high graphics preset with both the ray tracing and DLSS turned off. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so as you can see, we were getting an average of around 85 to 90 FPS at these sort of settings. Pretty good performance, I would actually say. To be straightforward, see, 4050 actually offers like nearly same to 3060 level of performance. Both of these even have the same amount of VRAM. You might ask like, what's the benefit then? Why should I buy an expensive 4050 laptop in 2023 or a 3060 laptop? The only reason for that would be the newer 40 series laptops support DLSS 3.0 and AI frame generation technology, which the older 30 series cards do not support, and that definitely make a bit of difference. Anyways, let's quickly enable ray tracing in this next test and see if this 4050 can actually handle it. Rest all the graphic settings are still same as before. Oh, okay. Not bad, guys, not bad at all. Even without DLSS, we were still getting a consistent 60 to 65 FPS with ray tracing enabled. Very much playable experience, I would say. But now see what happens when I enable DLSS 3.0 and AI frame generation on the laptop. Holy moly, look at those numbers! The frame rate has jumped from 60 FPS to almost 100 FPS, which is almost double the performance than before, that too with ray tracing enabled. Now this is something the previous gen 3060 cannot do. So overall performance seems pretty good over here and satisfactory for the price point. You can easily play most of the AAA title games on this model. Thermal performance also decent. Even after playing for an hour, the CPU is fluctuating around 86 to 87 degrees centigrade. By using a laptop fan or maybe like an external cooler, you can still further reduce the temperatures by around 8 to 10 degrees centigrade. But boy, I have to say, fan noise on this laptop was pretty loud, guys. Unless you're using like a gaming headset, you'll surely get disturbed while playing. Well, that is pretty much it, our video on Asus brand new TUF Gaming F15 2023 edition. It's a great gaming machine, especially if you're looking to buy like a brand new 40 series affordable category laptop in 2023. Excellent build quality, love the stealth black look and feel, beautiful 144Hz IPS display and great performance as well. Only thing I felt is price of the laptop could have been slightly lower. And also for this price point, you're only getting around like 512 GB of limited storage, guys. This is something you'll have to keep in mind. The price of the laptop is somewhere around 1,29,990 rupees, and links for that will be available in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got complete information on this model. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.